talk about how can you get a Groupon premium on your Groupon app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on my stuff down here, just click on it. So when you just click here on my stuff here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just click here on my Groupon in details. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you just add cart details here. So you just click on it, and here when you click on it here, it's going to show for you a list here to add your credit details here. So then automatically when you add it in this list, it's going to show for you now. Then it's going to add with you here Groupon Premium on your Groupon app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.